Hey guys, welcome to Hotel Digger YouTube channel. Today we are at MaOya Retreat Hotel. So come on, let's go and see.
We are now in Kegalle district near Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. This place is situated away from the busy city area, facing the beautiful MaOya River. As we came in, the first thing we noticed is how beautiful the garden is. And the staff was really friendly. This hotel has 21 rooms including 9 cabanas. So let's take a look at the rooms first. The rooms are bigger than the cabanas, and every room has a bathroom and all other needed furniture. And also free Wi-Fi and a TV. This room is designed for families. So it has 3 beds and the room is really big compared to the other rooms. Now let's go to a cabana. All the cabanas are built facing the MaOya River. Here is a cabana for couples. It has 1 master bed, a bathroom, 2 chairs and a coffee table, a wardrobe with a mirror, a mini fridge and a TV. The design of the cabanas are really good. Now we are in a family cabana. It has 2 beds, a bathroom, and all the other furniture. Now let's listen to a word from the manager of the MaOya Retreat Hotel.
Hello friends, you are now with Hotel Digger. Today we came to the MaOya Retreat Hotel. Here is the manager with us. Can we know the concept or the theme of this hotel?
Actually, our hotel doesn't have a typical town feel to it. This hotel is really close with the nature. When you come to this hotel, you will feel like you are in a village. But also, we have all the modern facilities in our rooms and cabanas. And this is a really good place for relaxation.
What are the places we can visit near this hotel?
The nearest place is Pinnawala Zoo. It's just 1 kilometer away from here. And you can visit Apegama theme park, you can watch elephant bath, and if you want to go on a hike, Uthuankanda and Alagalla mountain range is really close to our hotel. And there are many other good places to visit in this area.
Thank you very much, sir.
seen varieties of birds flying around in the garden, which is really amazing to see. If you like to take a break from your busy lifestyle and have some relaxing time, this place is a really good place for you. Also, you can watch elephant bath in the morning. At last, what we can say is we spent a good time at MaOya Retreat Hotel.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe our channel.